We have the 16 Pro here that we're going to fix today. Let's see. I'm going to take out these two screws here. I'm going to have to use the star screw. I already did that. I usually heat up the top part. We're using a heating pad. So we're going to heat that for like a couple of minutes. Not a couple of minutes, like it's 60, 70 seconds. I'm going to use like a razor blade. Get a massage there. For 16, 15 models, you'll see this white strip. Yes, sometimes that's holding the screen as well. I'm going to take these two screws out. I'm going to use that. Use a plastic screws here. Transfer the usually like to clean this white part, you can see. Let's test the screen. I'm going to try to hard reset. Pull it up, down, press and hold.